Today on Designing Spaces, we will travel to Jacksonville, Florida to meet with the Spivey family. They've recently added a brand new fiberglass swimming pool to their outdoor space, just in time for some summer fun in the sun.
I'm Rich Spivey. This is my wife, Trish. We're from Jacksonville, Florida. I've been here since 1986, and I purchased this house in 1990, and we've been in the process of fixing it up, remodeling. We've been doing that for about 2 or 3 years now.
We knew we really wanted to be outside. We love outside activities. So we had thought about putting in a pool. We'd both had pools before too. I had one in Arizona and Rich had one here. And we had the concrete pools. You were constantly having to brush the sides and clean it and everything else. And living where we live with so many big trees and everything, we knew that we wanted something that was going to be easier upkeep. And we didn't want to do the screened enclosure. We wanted to be able to be outside enjoying it.
With over 60 years of experience, Latham Pool Products offers a unique variety of fiberglass pools with a wide range of sizes, shapes, and colors. They also cater to each homeowner's style by offering customizable options of tile, spas, tanning ledges, and water features. Before the Spiveys were able to make a decision on which pool would work best for their space, they met with professional pool dealer Brent Handy.
When Rich and Trish first contacted me, they had a pretty good idea what they thought they wanted in the pool. Once we kind of narrowed it down on this particular Bristol model of the Blue Hawaiian pool shell, we picked a color choice for the pool, the shell that they like, and then of course we started looking at the tile selections, brick paver selections, tying in the fireplace, all these design ideas that they had. A couple of the things we touched on was convenience, maintenance, and also on safety. And the CoverStar Auto Safety Cover was a great fit for them. It was able to roll out, and when they wanted to use the pool, roll back in when they were not using the pool, keep the leaves and the debris and the junk out of the pool. And also for the safety side of it, you know, in addition to keeping the leaves and the junk out of it, dogs, kids, whatever else was to wander into the backyard, there's not a safety concern whatsoever when that auto cover is closed.
Brent and Paragon Pools, they were awesome because there was so much to choose as far as the shape, the style, everything else. And other than just being fiberglass, you know, we had certain needs that we wanted because again, we like to be real active in the pool, whether it's volleyball or basketball. And on the other hand, we were thinking we wanted like a sun ledge, but Brent had kind of reminded us about how much of your pool you lose when you do that. And so for us, that was a great recommendation because, again, it kind of helped us in the right direction of how we want to use the pool.
So what is it about Latham Pool Products that has everyone wanting to take a dip? Product specialist Rick Black stopped by to let us in on the secret behind Latham's breathtaking, industry-leading products.
Latham was founded in 1956, so for over 60 years we've been manufacturing high-quality products for the swimming pool industry. We're the largest manufacturer of fiberglass pools in North America. Our quality control process is called Technology for Manufacturing, and it allows us to measure every ounce of resin and glass that goes in every single pool, which then enables us to offer a lifetime warranty on every single shell we manufacture. In this pool that the Spiveys purchased, a safety ledge that the children can swim over when they need to rest. We have waterline tile, we have custom mosaics that can be put in the floor, a wide range of designs to choose from there. In this pool we have a beautiful, majestic gel coat, and we also offer many cascading waterfalls and other fountains, bubbler fountains, that allow you to enjoy the pool whether you're looking at it or not, because when you're looking at it, it's obviously beautiful, but even if you have your back to the pool and you have one of these water features, the sound can be so soothing and provide a lot of serenity to your backyard without even having to be at the beach.
I cannot wait for summer. This was the best thing we ever did. If you're like us and you work hard during the week, once the weekend hits, it's great not to have to leave the house.
Absolutely. We live back here.
Are you looking to add a beautiful and safe in-ground swimming pool to your home? Go to lathampool.com to learn more about their customizable fiberglass swimming pools and accessories.